Hey everyone, welcome back to Cyber Explore. Today we're diving into a critical topic, the potential vulnerabilities in Claudio Mythos capability systems and how attackers exploit them. Whether you're a CISO, CIO, CTO, or a cybersecurity professional, this breakdown will provide 4 major concerns and 4 practical mitigation strategies. Let's set the stage. Claudio Mythos systems rely on dynamic execution and contextual decision-making. While powerful, this introduces sophisticated new attack surfaces. Modern threat actors now target logic, permissions, and behavior rather than just code. Concern 1. Overprivileged execution. Excessive permissions allow attackers to escalate access quickly, leading to unauthorized API calls or full system compromise. Concern 2. Input injection. Attackers manipulate inputs to override intended logic or bypass safeguards, forcing the execution of unintended or malicious workflows. Concern 3. Lack of contextual validation. Gaps in validation allow valid commands to be executed at the wrong time or in the wrong environment. This effectively hijacks legitimate business workflows. Concern 4. Insufficient logging and observability. Without granular behavioral monitoring, attackers maintain stealth persistence and execute undetected data exfiltration. Now, the mitigation solutions. Solution 1. Principle of least privilege. Restrict capabilities to minimum scoped access and utilize temporary credentials to limit the impact of a breach. Solution 2. Strong input validation. Implement strict whitelisting and structured schema validation. Crucially, separate instruction from data to neutralize injection risks. Solution 3. Context-aware authorization. Deploy behavioral policies and risk-based engines to ensure every action is valid within its specific environmental context. Solution 4. Advanced monitoring and auditing. Move beyond collection to active analysis of real-time logs to detect and stop anomalies before they escalate. To recap, we've analyzed overprivileged execution, input injection, context gaps, and observability, and the 4 strategic pillars to address them. As systems evolve, our security focus must shift to how capabilities behave under pressure. If you found this analysis useful, please like and subscribe for more technical deep dives. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.